Parts of the Changbai Mountain, the average thickness of the snow is around 1 meter. And like yesterday, we had a very heavy snowfall, so the thickness could grow even higher. And this is what we call the pink snow. And the structure is not so dense for the accumulation of the snow. It's like the powder from the nature. Why we have this kind of powder-like snow? First of all, it's due to the weather conditions and the geographic conditions. Once being formulated in the air, there's no pollution at all. That's why the snow is very soft and you can eat it. And when you feel it, you tell that it's so soft and it feels like the powder. It's like the candy floss. And it's hard to form a snowball with this kind of snow. With a powder-like snow, it's still very new word. It's a new word to the ordinary people, but for the skiers, they like this kind of powder-like snow.